morning, travellers. Here I am. Harley! 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 Look at that! Hey! Oh, sorry, Baz! Way! How are we? We're behind Murray on his awesome Harley Davidson. My God, that crack and bang. Oh, as if right on cue, Murray. Well done. This is the old golf course we used to work at, me and old Guff. Don't know what we used to do there. Oh, collect the golf balls, I think. If you didn't see the post I put up earlier, we're off to Old Buckenham, the 144 calf at the old airfield. We went there last year, do you remember? When I bumped into the twins off combat dealers and I was the only one. Look at that beech tree. Oh, spectacular. And the skeleton of the Quercus rubor. Yeah, I was the only one who recognised them. If they're in there today, because they seem the sort of blokes who do the same thing every week, but I believe that was a Sunday because they were in there for a roast last time we were there, so I'm guessing it was a Sunday. But today's Saturday. It's the bank holiday. I think this is the better day out of the 3 days, isn't it? It's gonna like half. Cool. Well, Wednesday hot, wasn't it? But I was on a 12 drop garden centres all around Buckinghamshire down into, well, I finished off at Cranley down that way, but 12, 10, 11 in between. Over. Hot! It's alright though, wasn't it bad, huh? That was a long morning, sir. That was a long, cold, old, grey, miserable old winter, wasn't it? Filled up at the Shell garage at Woodbridge Garages, yeah, got done. £1.59 still for bloody E5. I should have got up 10 minutes earlier and went to Tesco's. Basically, it's my own fault. Morning! Put your lights on, sir. Safety first. Thank you. The amount of bellends I've seen today, this week. M25, t-shirt, shorts. 2 up. She was dressed the same. Admittedly on a cruiser, but there again, they hit the ground just as an R1 does. Don't see the need for it. I saw endless people riding without gloves. What's the first thing what touch the ground? Oh yeah, your hands. Bellends. 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 That's all I've got to say. That's why, look, weather, proper boots, leathers, gloves. You know, if I come off, I break a bone, but at least I'll be alive, won't I? Well cornered, Andy. Anyway, we'll see you on the next little Triple Day Ride Again segment. Also, I thought I got shot about 10 minutes ago, but that's Murray's exhaust. That went off with a almighty pop. I tell you, you weren't getting a deer jump out in front of you when you're following Murray on that pop bang in front. Oh, look at that old time camper. Church? That's when he decelerates. Let's try and get some. Place look familiar, doesn't it? Second man drop off, second time. I've got to get it right this time. Oh God, I love my job. Oh, tell you what, you can't get no better than this, can you? This is better than licking the toes on a blue-eyed blonde cougar. I'm telling you now. Man and machine. With friends with benefits. In 4K today, and I've took the super view off, so I don't know. You seem to have too much of the cockpit when I was looking back. We'll see how this one looks. Anyhow, we're at the old McDonald's roundabout, boy. The old BP roundabout on the 143, you know it, boogie. Oh, I tell you what, I'm going to need some paracetamol by the time I get there. Murray's exhaust is pop banging right in through my bloody skull. But I bloody love it. Anyhow, I'll turn you back on when there's people a shout out in this. Murray! I'm going to need some paracetamol when I get to there. Hooligan! That's all he is, a bloody hooligan. Alright boys, what you garden? Look at the Asculus hippostanums. Don't they look wonderful in flower, don't they? Absolutely wonderful. Alright boy, how you getting on? Right, chunky monkey. Well, there ain't a lot of people to shout at here, is there? Dogfight. Collie dog with strange, different coloured eyes. Mobility, yeah! Where's Trevor? Oh, cougar! Coming through. This is, we're in the middle of DISS. DISS. Here we go. up to Norfolk, Suffolk. Woo-hoo-hoo! She was aiming right for me. We must ask somebody, do you know where the M25 is? That's it, mate. Nobody else to shout at. Welcome to Old Buckingham. The place between many other places. It's where they have the bike nights on that grass there, but I said that in the last video. Not so nice though, no, was it? We had a bit of rain last time we come here, but had a bit of rain, boy. Oh, this is inconvenient, isn't it? Had a bit of rain, boy. Thank you. Hello. Oh, hello. My name is Dave, and I drive a Triumph. That has never worked, ever. As long as men and Triumphs were together. Oh, one thing before I forget. I hope I didn't offend any of my Scottish viewers with the last video. I forgot what actually is my proper voice now. No, that's this one, boy. How you getting on? B&B. Breakfast and bed. Are we not there yet? I thought I turned all 16 cameras on to capture us going down the runway. Well, we're there more or less, because that was old airfield barn, and you can tell that this has had some Willie's Jeeps. Yes, he's gone past it. Yes! That's why! Oh, right, here we are then. Lovely place. I don't know what to have really. What is the time? 11 o'clock. I've had half a French stick with 4 sausages already this morning's. We'll see. We'll see, boy. Go on, Murray. Go on, Murray, don't worry. Oh, that's all gone silent. When you that's when you give it a big handful and then decelerate. Yeah. At one point I thought I'd got shot because that went pop like that. That's awesome. Okay, here we are, lads. Well, I did do an ending to this video, but I thought no, because when we were at Dobby's I misplaced my vape, and there's little things in life what really annoy me. I then got that vape working with the right everything, coils and everything, and then I go and lose it. I sat at that airfield going through every single pocket. So when they all left there and they said they were going to the neat house at Dennington, I said no, I'm going back to Dobbies and finding my vape, which I still will do. But in the meantime I stopped at this boy and got a disposable, because I'm going to get back to Dobbies. If it is still there, it's going to be run over, isn't it? So that wouldn't work anyway, but I've got bits at home to make one. So I thought, well, instead of just spoiling my day because of a bloody vape, I'll just buy a and then go and have me cake and coffee. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you're all probably a bit bored of Dennington, so I'll leave it here. Not gonna go to the Stonham Barnes bike show because that's £10 for walking around for 10 minutes, and yeah, not worth it. I'd rather probably just go up there and walk around the bike park. That's probably more interesting. Anyhow, on that happy note, I'll see you on the next one.